Good morning, guys. So today is Tuesday and it's 7:10 a.m. It's very early in the morning. Okay? Magkakaroon ng donation parang every year ginagawa to ng school ng daughter ko. Nagdo-donate sila sa ibang mga schools, mostly public schools ang kinukuha nila. So ngayon, ang gagawin na lang namin is to give some things na second hand na, pero syempre, yung dapat mapapakinabangan at magagamit pa ng mga batang makaka-receive. So guys, here are the some things that I already prepare for yung mga used sandals, mga used shoes. Yeah, sorry, nagising yung baby ko. Yes, pinlastic ko na siya and then inilagay ko na siya sa box. Yeah, I'll show you some of the shoes, the used shoes. This one, yes, this one is Ate's shoes. Yeah, be sure that if you're going to donate some things, kailangan in good condition, guys. Hawag naman yung sobrang luma na. Kasi kawawa naman yung makaka-receive din. Medyo kawawa na nga sila, kaya kailangan nila ng mga bagay, tapos lalo mo pang kakawain sa mga binigay mo. So this is Ate's shoes, yeah, my daughter's shoes during her casa. Yung casa pa siya. So that one, advanced casa. And this one, her shoes, yeah. And my baby son's sandals. Yeah, this one. And also, yung graduation shoes ni ate. This is her graduation shoes. So, in good condition pa siya. So, I'm going to donate kasi it's not kasha na anymore. Alright. Anong meron? Pag morning ganito magsalita, Taglish. Arte. Okay. This one is from Australia. My husband gave this to me, and this is Nike Air. Original Nike Air, guys. There. So, hindi siya sira. Talagang ganyan siya. May ganyan talaga siya para makita yung orangey sa loob. Yan, this is original, guys. Yan, galing pang Australia to. I'm going to give na also. And, Ate's ballet shoes. Merong ballet shoes si ate. There. This is her first ballet shoes, pero hindi na kasha. And then also, meron akong audience. Ayun na. Ay, G. Okay, audience ko. Yun. And then, there's a lot actually, this one. Yes, nandali ko na siya dyan. Yan. Diba? Okay, so mas maraming shoes yun. And then this one is my sister's shoes. Yan, na hindi na niya trip. Ayan, my sister's shoes. And ito yung pig ginamit ko nung first birthday ng baby boy ko. Ayan, first birthday niya. This one. Yeah, this shoes. It's a white shoes. Yeah, this one. And then I'm going to donate na the white shoes. Kasi I'm going to buy another one. Yung mas gusto ko. And then this one, yung pinangsayaw ni ate ng nag-belly dancing siya sa school. And then this shoes. Yeah, lahat sila is very in good condition pa, guys. There. So I'm going to donate that one. And then some of my sandals. And sobrang dami ba? And then also sandals ni baby boy. Yan, yan na hindi na kasha. Sobrang dami pa. Ayan, nag-fit na daw siya. Meron pa akong isang box dito. Ayan, guys, na box na. Actually, dalawang box siya. Where I'm going to put the used clothes and the used toys naman. Yes. And then, ibabalutin ko na rin yung gift niya na ibibigay niyo dun sa magiging adopt a friend niya. Yes, so, last year ginawa rin namin to and it's really fun. Napakasaya talagang mamigay kaysa sa mag-receive, no? Mas masarap. Marami kang mapagbigyan kasi yun, basta iba yung feeling eh. Diba? Iba yung fulfillment talaga. And then, sleepers also. So, guys, I'll update you after. Fix ko lang lahat to. Ipapackaging tape ko siya. And then, punta na kami. Prepare kami. And then, we will go to at the school. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye! Say bye-bye, baby. Bye! Hey! Say bye-bye, baby. Bye! Mamaya, may kasama sa pack talaga. Have a nice morning. Kita kids.
Tumigil siya ng lolo niya. Tumigil siya eh. Parang sigaw.
Morning.
Mrs. Good morning.
Morning.
Ogi na, so.
Good morning ka na, morning.
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 Galit eh. Morning.
Parang sigaw to.
We're moving. Tray dapat para hindi mahirap ilagay. Ay, ano.
Tray, ito. Sabi mo, tray.
Yan, groceries.
Mr. Christian, susunod na sa kanya.
Hold up.